Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning, dear students. In this section, you are going to learn about major crops in India. Children, crops are plants grown by the farmers. Agriculture plays a very important role in the Indian economy. India is the top producer country to many crops. Now, let us discuss about the major crops in India. The major crops can be divided into four main categories depending on their use. First one, food grains. Second one, grass crops. Third one, plantation crops. And fourth one, horticulture. Now, let us discuss the types of crops. Children, on the basis of seasons, the crops in India have been divided into Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid crops. Let us discuss about Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid crops in India. Children, Kharif crops means these crops which are known as monsoon crops also. These are the crops which are grown during the monsoon or rainy season from June to October. We sow the crop at the beginning of the monsoon season around June and harvested by September or October. Kharif crops depend on the rainfall pattern. The timing and quantity of the rainwater are the two important factors that decide the output of Kharif crop. The main Kharif crops grown in India included rice, maize, bajra, ragi, soya bean, groundnut, coconut, cotton, etc. Rabi crops. These crops are also known as winter crops. These crops are grown in winter season from October to November. The seeds are sown at the beginning of the winter season and the crop is harvested at the end of the winter season or in the spring season. The Rabi crops are cultivated in the dry region, so timely irrigation is required to grow these crops. Some of the main Rabi crops of India included wheat, barley, mustard, sesame, peas, etc. Zaid crop. This crop is grown in some parts of our country during March to June. Prominent examples are watermelon, vegetables like Cucumberaceae family such as bitter gourd, pumpkin, rich gourd, etc. Children, let us discuss about the categories of crop. So already we discussed that crops are divided into four types and the first we will discuss about food grains. Rice. Rice is predominantly a kharif crop. It covers one third of total cultivated area of India. It provides food to more than half of the Indian population. Rice is produced in almost all the states. Top three producer states are West Bengal, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. Other rice growing states included like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Assam, and Maharashtra. It is also grown in Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Gujarat, and Kashmir Valley. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important crop of India after rice. It is a Rabi crop. It is the staple food in north and northwestern India. The most suitable soil for cultivation of wheat is well drained fertile like loamy soil and clayey soil. Plain areas are most suitable for this crop. The top three states producing wheat are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana. Cereals and millets. Cereals and millets are the short duration warm weather kharif crops like bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grains, they have high nutritional value. For example, ragi is rich in iron, calcium, and other nutrients, and roughage also. Jowar. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas which hardly needs irrigation. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and hollow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Ragi. Ragi is a crop of dry regions and grow well on red, black, sandy, loamy and hollow black soils. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu. A part of these states, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh are also important for the production of ragi. Maize. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade and it grows well in old alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season also. Use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize production states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of proteins in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are tur, moong dal, peas and gram, etc. The major producing states are India and Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Children, now let us discuss about cash crops. Cash crops includes jute, cotton, sugarcane, tobacco and oil seeds. Let us discuss in detail about each and every crop. Sugarcane. Sugarcane belongs to bamboo family of plants and it is indigenous to South Asia. In India, it is one of the most important kharif crop. Cotton. Cotton is one of the most important fiber and cash crop of India and plays a dominant role in the industrial and agricultural economy of the country. It provides the basic raw material like cotton fiber to cotton textile industries. In India, there are 10 major cotton growing states which are divided into 3 zones: North Zone, Central Zone and South Zone. North Zone consists of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Central Zone includes Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. South Zone comprises Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Jute. Jute is an important natural fiber crop in India next to cotton. Raw jute plays an important role in the country's economy. The crop can be grown in low, medium and high land situations. It requires both moisture stress and water stagnating conditions. Jute can be successfully grown in Coimbatore, Viluppuram, Vellore, Tiruvannamalai and the parts of Tanjavur, Nagapattinam districts, where assured supply of irrigation water is available for its cultivation and rating for fiber extraction. Tobacco. Tobacco is one of the most economically significant agricultural crops in the world. It is broad to learned, hardy and short duration crop which can be grown on soils where other crops cannot be cultivated profitably. Oil seeds. India is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world. Different oil seeds are grown, covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. Main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, soya bean, castor seeds, cotton seeds, and sunflower, etc. Most of these are edible and used as cooking mediums. However, some of these are also used as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics, and ointments. Groundnuts. Groundnut is most important oil seed of India, grown as both as kharif and rabi crop, but 90 to 95% of the total area is devoted to kharif crop. Groundnut accounts for half of the major oil seeds produced in India. India is the second largest producer of groundnut after China. Top 3 states are producing groundnut are Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now let us discuss about plantation crops. Tea. India is the largest producer and consumer of black tea in the world. Tea is grown in 16 states in India like Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala account for about 95% of total tea production. Coffee. Coffee needs hot and humid climate with temperature varying between 15 degrees to 28 degrees centigrade. It is generally grown under shady trees. Major coffee production states of India are Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Coconut. Coconut plays an important role in the national economy of India. Traditional areas of coconut cultivation are the states of Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Goa. Children, let us discuss about horticultural crops. India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. India is the producer of tropical as well as temperate fruits. Mostly mangoes are grown in the states like Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges can grown in Nagpur and Meghalaya. Bananas are famous of Kerala, Mysore, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava fruits are mostly grown in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Pineapples are mostly grown in Meghalaya. Grapes are grown in Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Again, apples, pear, apricots, and walnuts are most grown in the area states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. These are the states are in great demand of the world over. India produces about 30% of the world's vegetables. It is an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato, etc. Children, let us discuss about spices. India has been known for its spices since ancient time onwards. Cardamom is mostly grown in Assam, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Pepper, king of spices, will get from Kerala. Chilies are grown mostly in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan. Turmeric is mostly grown in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Nutmeg is famous in Kerala. Coconut mostly it's grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Cinnamon is famous of Kerala and all the spices like ginger, clove are famous in Kerala, Meghalaya and Sikkim. Children, the human population depends upon crops for their food production. Therefore, the crop should be cultivated using proper production techniques and agricultural implements. Thank you.